Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. So what we wanted to illustrate for you in this little video is how to spot the big trends. To get the big trends, you need to go to larger time frames. So I happen to be on the day chart right now, and so we have a momentum indicator listed here in the blue and the red. What you look for is whenever the momentum indicator changes colors from red to blue or blue to red, then you start looking at smaller time frames to time your entry. So let's go in this very first one and see what we would find on the 4-hour chart. So on a 4-hour chart, we know that we're looking down, so it might be 8 hours from the time the day shows us anything and to take out in the middle of this trend. We're not taking the very beginning of it, we're not taking getting to the tops or bottoms, but this is about 140 pip range just on that little counter trend. You see the major trend is up, but the momentum took a dive down for a couple of days and then it started back up. Now let's go to the next section so we can see both the down and the up. So we went down when the day gave us a signal, then we only take up signals. So in this trend right here, there's a little section here, but all of a sudden over here we got another section of a couple hundred pips. So you could take out a good portion of that trend right there. Of course, we know that kept on going up, but then let's see what happens when it comes back down. Now we'll go to this line and we're on the day. Now let's go to the 4-hour, so we know that we're only taking sell signals. So the main thing is that you could find a lot of additional trades on 30-minute and 1-hour time frame, but this is just to illustrate a point that if you want to find the big trends, how to spot them, you look for the momentum indicator on the day chart. We also have a couple of moving averages here as well, so you get the combination of the moving averages crossing, going up and down, and then the momentum going up or down, and this will spot a trend on a day chart. And then you go to a smaller time frame like the 4-hour or 1-hour and time your entry to enter the trade, and that way you're taking high probability trades, trading in the direction of a trend on a larger time frame. Hope this has helped to you, and we'll talk to you another time.